You everyone, welcome. Hi Vietnamese, I hope you're doing well. I hope each and every individual who's watching this video is doing lovely. I do hope you guys have a great weekend because sometimes things can be hectic, sometimes things can flow smoothly. So I do hope you guys enjoyed the weekend and keep on enjoying this week. I'm from Jamaica, greetings from Jamaica. So today we'll be reacting to Lock Trôi. Oh well, yeah, I tried. The person who've done this, they are called Hoàng, Linh, Phương Mai Chi X DTAP. Guys, these names are actually just difficult to call sometimes. So my forgiveness, you guys seen the title, you guys seen what I'm gonna react to. It's a live performance. You understand? So with that being said, let's venture.
Người theo hương hoa mây mù giăng lối, làn sương khói vơi phai đưa bước ai xa rồi. Đơn côi mình ta vấn vương, hồi ức trong men say chiều mưa buồn. Ngàn giọt lệ ngừng khiến khóe mi sầu bi. Đường xưa nơi cố nhân từ giã biệt ly, cánh hoa rụng rơi. Phận duyên mong manh sẽ lối trong mơ ngày tương phù.
骑着风随落着，孤帆多了海去忘了多怎远，谁能抵不这空缺？
Lòng ta xin nguyện khắc ghi trong tim tình nồng mê say, mặc cho tóc mây vươn lên đôi môi cay, bâng khuâng mình ta lạc trôi giữa đời, ta lạc trôi giữa trời.
无怨无悔，可惜这份炽烈的爱，不如青丝在唇边徘徊，剩我一人迷失人间，我飘落世界。你随花香烟雾密布，风雨烟飘渺，伴随你远去，孤独留守思念，随一切绕针无好语，可只想被落眼角的泪滴。我习故人笑，别离结局，花瓣飘落，缘分千分期盼在梦里相遇。
trong phong mong ai dần hao gầy,
无怨无悔，可惜这份炽烈的爱，不顾青丝在唇边徘徊，剩我一人迷失人间，我飘落世界。
lòng ta xin nguyện khắc ghi trong tim tình nồng mê say, mặc cho tóc mây.
That was unbelievable. Unbelievable. You know, with the voice harmonizing together, I can feel the presence of their harmony. The voice is just so amazing. To be honest, I'm loving this, bro. It is just so breathtaking to listen to them, guys. It brings forth a day that you guys will never ever forget. Like, you know, it just gives me such nostalgia of what I used to do while I was younger, because, you know, some songs brings back a lot of memory, especially when you're reminiscing on the good days, and the songs just pinpoint a point that gives you chills, bro. Like, this is the reason why I just love Fuang Mai Chi and the individualism that came by, which is that lovely woman. She dominates. They all done well. This performance was superb. It was top notch. Right? It was just out of this world, bro. Like, if you guys just sit and if you guys meditate on what they're saying deeply, with the music, with everything that was provided unto us, right? You guys will understand that their music is just deep and connecting. Ever connecting, right? And if I was there personally, I could feel the music even more better. And trust me, it feels as if I'm there personally, because of the impact of their music, because of how the artistry of their music comes to life. You guys can just feel the vibe, feel the music. Their music is just so good, my God, bro. Well done. This was well done. I gotta say, it was enjoying. It was heartwarming. It was something well done. Guys, stay tuned for more, because, you know, I'm loving For My Cheese music. Her performances are always top notch, and it doesn't matter who she carries on the stage to perform alongside with her, it is always a dominance. Thanks for watching, people. I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction. Please stay tuned for more videos. Hit the bell icon on so you guys won't miss a thing whenever time I releases another reaction by Fuang Mai Chi, or if she's partnershiping with someone new, then I'll be knowing. You guys can also know as well, obviously. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in another video.